welcome to Bluegarage. After months of careful design and analysis, we are proud to present the latest addition to our product line, the Tembo hardtop for the Thar Jeep. The monolithic construction is made out of high-grade fiber-reinforced plastic, designed to withstand a wide variety of stress. The Tembo hardtop features ISI-grade toughened glass for the ultimate combination of utility and safety, while the interior is finished with a premium carpeting for comfort and luxury. The rear door comes fitted with a gas shock dampener, and we also include an IP67 grade waterproof brake lamp at the rear. The Tembo is also available in custom color options. Designed by avid Jeep users and 4x4 enthusiasts, the Tembo hardtop converts your Mahindra Thar into a practical everyday vehicle while still maintaining full functionality in all weather conditions. The installation is quick and efficient. There are no welding points or alterations done on the vehicle body thanks to the modular design of the hardtop. The module is fitted with an industry-standard waterproofing sealant, ensuring a lasting seal against the elements. The total installation time is about 5 to 6 hours, after which your Thar would have a highly practical and qualitative upgrade. For details on installation, delivery, and price, please visit our website at bluegarage.in. Thank you for choosing Bluegarage. Have a safe drive.